Spring Summer 26 showcase season has recently ended, and I wanted to talk about my thoughts on a show I was able to go to during London Fashion Week, as well as discuss my fashion predictions for 2026. Chen Studios is a London-based independent fashion brand specialising in creative and unique pattern cutting. They collaborate with sustainable suppliers for their fabrics, and their garments are built to last. The clothes felt like an abstract take on elevated basics, and I especially loved this butterfly dress. It felt so ethereal. The brand mainly uses an achromatic colour palette, which created a sense of sleekness and cohesion. La Maison Opale is a French fashion house that creates pieces from their custom beaded fabric. The designs are extremely elegant and elaborate, and I think that the models looked goddess-like in these stunning sort of gowns. I'd like to see this material turned into more different types of garments, and I think that beaded fabrics like these could become a staple next year. Original Island is an award-winning fashion house based in Limerick that specialises in exclusive timeless designs. This collection was all created using the same fabric that had a bright floral motif, which created a cohesive and bold look. Tower is a fashion house that combines African cultural heritage with boldness and elegance. They're able to blend patterns in a way that feels personal and unique to the wearer, and the designs also feel like a celebration of femininity with delicate detailing like frills and allusions to classic silhouettes. And I love how they blended the personal with the high culture to create these sort of museum-worthy, Met Gala-worthy pieces. Jung Studios is a London-based fashion house where gender-fluid design meets industrial poetry. The accessories were my favourite part of this showcase, blending medieval style with futurism, and I thought that the styling of these pieces gave off a vibe that we were observing a post-apocalyptic London, and the pieces were deconstructed, avant-garde and brutally beautiful. After that, some of the Chen Studios models performed this dance, which was a real surprise and was amazing to watch. Overall, I think that neutral colour palettes such as beige, tans and earthy tones dominated the season. First, I saw this as a negative, and I saw this as a sign of blandness in the industry and the decline of personal style. However, upon reflection, I actually think that the colour palette, along with other trends I saw like formal wear inspired looks, monochromatic looks and cohesive tailored fashion, are a symbol of togetherness and unity that bring a sense of optimism and sophistication. And additionally, it could be a sign that we're approaching a turning point as far as sustainable fashion is concerned, with brands starting to prioritise sustainable fabrics and understated style. Opting for neutral tones means that a piece can be styled in a variety of ways for a variety of seasons, which is better for the environment. And in conjunction with this, the Roaring Twenties are on their way back with this sort of showgirl aesthetic. So I predict we'll be seeing drop-waist silhouettes, elaborate beading, tassels, tulle, frills, lace, and lots of feathers for a sort of 21st century take on Gatsby chic.